In the previous video, we have seen how to build a high converting squeeze page with Leadpages software. Now in this part 11 of this how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner, we are going to discuss about how to create a high converting bridge page using Leadpages. Now if you have not watched how to create a simple squeeze page with Leadpages, you can always watch out the video on your top right of your screen. Now building a bridge page can be the key to getting sales when it comes to high ticket offers. Now if you want to promote high ticket offers, the simple bridge page will always help you to get more conversions. And later in this video, I'm going to show you what are the key points that are to be considered when building a simple bridge page. Now let's get straight to my screen and build a simple bridge page. Now this is the Leadpages dashboard, and if you've not got your Leadpages account, then you can always check out the link in the description box below or the first pinned comment to get your free 14-day trial of Leadpages. Now coming to the landing pages, and under that click on create new landing pages, and you can see this is the squeeze page which I have created in the previous video. Now click on create new landing page where you're going to create a bridge page. Click on blank and go and click on this blank, start building. Type it as simple bridge page and click on continue. Now this is the page where you're going to build a simple bridge page. Now what you need to do is that just go to the widget sections and you're going to click on drag and drop a video element. Click and drag and drop this video element right over here. You can see this blue button appearing and just drop it over here. Now you can see this video element inserted. Now the next thing is you need to add a call to action just below this video element. Now go here and click and drag and drop this button option just below this. Yeah, now the blue box appears. Just drop it over here, and you can make sure that this button looks the entire width. Enter it as large, full width. Yeah, now that looks a bit good. You can change the call to action, get instant access, and make sure that the button color in your squeeze page and the bridge page remains the same. Now they should be identical so that the viewer feels more trustworthy, the pages. So you can just make sure that I'm going to change this button color. Go here, click on this edit styles, and over here you can see the button color over here. Add button color. I'm going to add the color which we have added over there. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty much the same as in the previous squeeze page. So I'm just going to make this a bit big. So just click on this edit styles, and when you scroll down over here, you can see the text size. You can just try to make it as 7, and let us see. This looks a bit better. So get instant access. Now we need to enter the video element. Just click on this video element once. So here you have the embed code. Now you need to have your own video prepared, like you facing the camera and speaking about the product or the affiliate offer. Now since I have my own YouTube channel, I have created my own recording in OBS Studio, and from there I have uploaded to YouTube video. Now I'm just going to go to YouTube video and copy and paste this embed code. So go to YouTube. I'm just going to copy one of my videos over here. Click on the share button, and here you have this embed code. Click on this embed code and just copy, Control A, Control C, and go back to Leadpages and paste it over here. Click on save. So over here now you can see the videos appearing over here, and that's good. So this is going to be your bridge page where you're going to speak about the offer. This is how you build a bridge page with a simple video, and you have this call to action. Now there are two things that you need to understand. Now if you are going to use a third-party software over here for tracking purpose, you need to have a separate tracking links generated from the third-party software, which is Opt-in Dojo, which I will show you later in this training series. So please stay tuned. So what you need to do is that go and click on publish button and publish your page. Now you might have a question like, what is a bridge page and why do we need this bridge page? Now bridge page is a simple pre-sale page that is in between your opt-in page and the sales offer page. Now, if you have not watched this holistic process flow of how we do in our affiliate marketing business, then you can always watch out the video on the top right of your screen. Bridge page is just an intermediate page between your sales offer and your squeeze page. And this bridge page should always talk about the results or the outcomes that the final product, which is the affiliate offer, is going to deliver for the users. You should always talk about how it addresses the pain points, how it gives solution for the target audience, which is going to be like 9-to-5 job workers who are working tirelessly, and how it's going to help their lives. So it should cater all these points in the bridge page. Now let us see what are the important key structures that needs to be addressed in our bridge page. Now if you see this, you can see how to structure a bridge page. Now the first thing is that you should always have a video. Now this video should be self-shot. It should be you speaking on this video so that you build a trust online with your audience. So you have to keep this video like between 3 to 5 minutes, which is a sweet spot, with maintaining your audience engagement. And next should be the self-introduction, who you are, what you do, and how you're going to help people online. That's going to build a trust and credibility factor over there. And next, third one is the pain points. Now the pain points should be like, what are the pain points experienced by a 9-to-5 job worker who wants to quit their job, and like they are working tirelessly 9 to 5 with hectic calls, all those stuff. So you have to cater those points in your video. And what are the solutions for those pain points, like how you can quit the 9-to-5 job and how you can live the laptop lifestyle. And finally, it should be all about the call to action, which is going to be the button that is going to take them to the offer. I hope you got the real value out of this, how to build a simple bridge page and how to structure it. Now, if you really like, so hit the subscribe button below if you really feel that this is going to add value, and the upcoming videos are going to be really helpful in your affiliate marketing business. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss about the most important and the craziest part of building our affiliate marketing business, which is going to be the email autoresponders. And this is going to be a bit technical. Don't worry, I'm there. I'm going to explain to you in simple steps. So see you until then. Bye.